My name is Tammy, and I chose Pop-On Veneers because I wanted to make my teeth whiter. They gotten pretty yellow over the years, and it was so easy. I saw Pop-On Veneers on Facebook a couple of times and was thinking to myself, is this legit? Should I try it? And I tried it, and I would 100% recommend it. It's so easy. You just get your impressions in the mail, and you just do the impressions and send them back. And it took about a week. I was so impressed. About a week later, I received my veneers. And as you can see, here are my molds. This is just my mold. And you can tell how easily, the veneers just pop right on to the mold. It's so cool. There, it's my veneers. And you can also see them in my mouth. They're so easy to put on. Just pop them in. And you can see how white my teeth are. Everybody compliments me on my teeth, and I really love them. And I would 100% recommend.